So this is my first ever success at solving Megaminx Blindfolded. This was done on the 4th attempt. So basically how blind solving works is you first take a fully scrambled puzzle that you haven't looked at before, start the timer, and then memorize it. Then you put on a blindfold and solve it without looking at it. This was my first attempt for several weeks, and all my other attempts had been really far off, so I wasn't expecting this to be solved. So I was really happy when I got a success. So I'm in fact the 19th person and first Canadian to ever do this, so that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching.